Speak. This AI replaced 3 freelance roles overnight and it starts at $20 a month. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Anthropic logo, terminal running autonomously, Claude by Anthropic. 200k token context, standard. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash competitors cap at 128k. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash I've tried 12 tools like this, and one model is quietly eating freelance budgets. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash here's what it actually does. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Claude Code terminal, autonomous refactoring live, Claude Code takes over your terminal. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash give it a codebase, it researches, writes, refactors, runs tests. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash no handholding. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash an e-commerce team connected it to Shopify via MCP. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash it sorted refunds, pulled policy docs, wrote responses. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash zero human input. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash that's not a feature, that's a replacement. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash benchmark chart split screen, 3 models, science reasoning, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Claude Opus 4.8 beats GPT 5.4 by 1.4 points on GPQA Diamond. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash coding? GPT 5.5 hits 88.6% on SWE bench, Claude lands 79.6%. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash real gap. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash abstract reasoning, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Gemini 3.1 at 77.1%, Claude at 68.8%. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash comment below, does reasoning beat coding for your workflow? B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash pricing tier table animating in, free, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $0, Sonnet 5, rolling token budget. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash pro, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $20 per month, priority access. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash max 20x, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $200 per month, full Claude Code autonomy. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash API builders, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Sonnet 4.6 at $3 per million tokens. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash batch processing cuts that 50%. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash that's cheaper than 1 freelance hour. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash rating counter ticking up to 8.5. Honestly, what surprised me the most was this, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Claude throttled pro users mid-task in early 2026, no warning. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Anthropic added 220,000 GPUs in May. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash trust hit is real. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash no native real-time web search either. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash skip it for social or news work, use Perplexity. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash score, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash 8.5 out of 10. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash best for developers, solo operators, and long document legal work. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash if you're building autonomous workflows, nothing else comes close right now. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash link in the description. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.